A med spa lives and dies on two things: a full appointment book and a wall of 5-star reviews that makes the next person trust them enough to walk in. Most med spas are great at the treatments and terrible at both of those. They miss booking requests, they never ask for reviews, and they let clients walk out the door without ever scheduling the next visit. Today, I'm gonna show you the GoHighLevel system that fixes all three, and it's one of the best paying niches that you can build as an agency. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker. Welcome back here to GoHighLevel Mastery. Med spas are a dream client. The treatments are high value, clients come back on a schedule, and the owners are busy doing injections, not marketing. That is the perfect setup for an automation system that runs in the background and keeps the calendar full. So let me explain why this niche pays so well before we build. A single med spa client is not a one-time sale. Botox wears off in a few months, so they come back. Facials and memberships repeat. Filler, laser, all of it runs on a cycle. So the lifetime value of one client is high, which means keeping clients coming back is where the real money is. And on the front end, med spas are an image business, so reviews and a polished experience matter more here than almost anywhere else. A system that fills the book and builds the reputation is worth a lot to these owners. So here is what we are building. 3 pieces: an online booking system which deposits so the calendar fills and no-shows drop. An automated review engine so the 5-star reviews pile up without anyone remembering to ask. And a follow-up and rebooking system so clients come back on schedule instead of drifting away. Let's build each one. For this, you'll need a GoHighLevel account to put it all together. And if you don't have one yet, there's a link in the description to get started with a 30-day free trial. And using it really helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. So let's go ahead, do that, set up a sub account for the med spa so everything stays clean and separate from your other clients. Now, first piece of this build is the booking system. So inside of GoHighLevel, we'll go ahead and click on calendars here, and we'll go to calendar settings. And for this, we'll go ahead and create a new calendar. We'll call this a personal booking, but go ahead and read through these different ones, which might be best for you. So we'll go ahead and click on advanced settings here to get the full page. So we'll go ahead and give this the basic details here. We'll give this a calendar name. We'll call this Med Spa Booking. Again, you'd want to do this for each service that you offer. You go ahead and put a little description in here. Come down here to staff and location. This is where you can go ahead and choose the staff for this. Availability, this is where you go ahead and put in your hours. So something like 9 to 5, but go ahead and put in your actual real hours here. Then you can have date specific hours. So for things like holidays and stuff like that. And then what we could do, we'll go ahead and have a recurring meeting, turn that on. Daily, if this makes sense for your spa, you can go ahead and turn that on. Then we'll come down here to booking rules. This is where you can go ahead and set the meeting interval, so the times in between that people can book, how long the meeting is, how much notice you need. So obviously you don't want someone booking and then coming in 5 minutes later. So set that to at least 4 hours, if not a full day out. This is date range, how far out people can book. Again, you'll know this better than I will. That might be 14 days, maybe 30 days, maybe 60 days. Just make sure that you have your calendar booked off for days where you don't want to get booked that maybe you're not thinking of right away. That's down in the future a little bit. Then we've got pre-buffer time. So this is to put a buffer in between appointments on the front end, post-buffer times to do that on the back end, maximum bookings per day, and maximum bookings per slot. Now, what we want to do is come down here to payments, turn on accept payments, and then this is how you'll be able to go ahead and accept those deposits. Now, the second piece, and this is the one that med spas need the most, the review engine. Okay, so what we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to go ahead and save all these calendar changes that we made. We'll come back out of settings here. We'll come to automation, and we'll go ahead and click create workflow, and we'll go ahead and just build using AI. You could probably select from a template here, but I'm just going to go ahead and use some voice to text here and say, I need you to set up a review automation system for me. After any appointment, I need you to wait 3 hours and then send a text asking how they enjoyed their appointment and kindly suggesting them to leave a Google review. Use the reviews AI as well to go ahead and draft responses to reviews so I don't have to do this work myself. And we'll go ahead and send that off and let the AI start building the automation. All right, so here we go. We've got appointment status. Appointment status is showed. This is the trigger. It fires it off, and it'll go ahead and wait 3 hours. Click on the text. Hey, we hope your recent appointment went well. We'd love to hear back. Please share your experience and leave us a Google review here. There we go. And again, you'd want to go ahead and update this to be relevant to you and your business and your tone and whatnot. But then we can go go ahead and check this out and review AI integration. Oh, yeah. Sweet. All right. Now I want to save you from a mistake that I see agencies make all the time with this exact setup. And the FTC now has a rule against filtering out negative reviews before they post, with real penalties behind it. They've already started enforcing it. So here it is the right way, and it actually makes you look like the expert in the room. Ask every client the same way. Everyone gets the same friendly check-in and the same review link. Then in that same message, give everyone an easy way to reply straight back to the spa if something was not perfect. Now you're not hiding anything. You're catching a service problem early so the spa can make it right for the client, which is how you earn the good review honestly. Tell your med spa clients this because most of their competitors are doing it the band way and have no idea they're at risk. Now the third piece, follow up in rebooking the profit center. This is where most med spas leave money on the table. A client comes in for a Botox, loves it, walks out, but nobody schedules the next visit. 3 months later, the Botox is gone and so is the client. Off to whoever advertised to them that week. We fix that with a rebooking workflow. When the treatment is completed, the system knows roughly when that client should come back. So a few weeks before that window, it reaches out. Hi, it's been about 3 months. You're probably due for a touch-up. Here's a link to book. You are reminding a happy client to do the thing they already wanted to do. This is the easiest revenue a spa will ever make, and it runs completely in the background. Now, if you're running a med spa, you know the services you offer, and you know the timeline that they need to be repeated. So go ahead, write that stuff down, and then just set up those automations for each of those different services that you offer on their own given timelines. You can layer more on top of this. A new lead nurture for people who inquired but didn't book yet. A win-back campaign for clients who haven't come in for 6 months or more. Maybe even offer them a little discount. A birthday message with a small offer, which works incredibly well in this industry. Each of these is just another workflow, and each one gives the owner another reason to keep paying you. Now, the mistakes to avoid. First, watch the tone in the rules. Med spas deal with medical treatments, so keep marketing messages tasteful and never make health claims you cannot back up. Always include a way to opt out of text. Second, do not bury the spa in automation that sounds generic. This is a personal, high-touch business, so the messages should feel warm and on-brand, not like a chain blasting coupons. So read them out loud first. Third, get the deposit and calendar settings exactly right and test a real booking yourself before you hand it over. A broken booking page on a med spa site is a terrible first impression. So let's talk about why this is such a strong system to sell. The pitch writes itself. You tell the owner, this fills your calendar with deposit-backed bookings, builds your Google reviews on autopilot, and brings your existing clients back on schedule. Every one of those is tied directly to revenue, so the monthly fee is easy to justify. And just like with any niche, once you have built this system one time, save it as a snapshot. A snapshot's just a copy of the whole setup. The calendars, the review engine, the rebooking workflows, all of it. Load it into the next med spa client in minutes. Swap in their services in hours, and you're live. Build it once and sell it to every med spa in the area. Let me recap the system. An online booking system with deposits to fill the calendar and stop no-shows. An automated review engine that asks every client for a review the right way and gives them a direct line back to the spa if something needs fixing. And a follow-up and rebooking system that brings clients back on their treatment schedule like clockwork. Put those three together and you have a complete growth machine for a med spa and a product that you can confidently sell because every piece of it makes the owner money. Now, if you want to get started with GoHighLevel, we'll have that 30-day free trial link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission if you end up using it and end up buying it, but at no extra cost to you. This really helps support the channel and lets us keep making these free GoHighLevel tutorials. So if you use them, seriously, thank you so much. And if this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another GoHighLevel breakdown. Here on GoHighLevel Mastery, we teach you how to get more clients, automate smarter, and grow your business using GoHighLevel the right way, whether you're brand new or leveling up your agency. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.